Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video. Today we're going to be checking out the 2019 Sherlock Holmes 50p coin. This is the Brilliant Uncirculated edition and I bought it from the Royal Mint, therefore it came with the Royal Mint handbag. And what I'm going to do is my usual thing now, where I open mine up so that you've actually bought this coin but don't want to take it out of the packaging. You can see all of the information that you get inside. So there we go, that is the front with the packaging taken off, and the back, which we'll check out in a minute and have a look at the coin specifications. But I'm going to do the usual thing now, and you can do the same thing and pause if I'm moving too quickly, but I'm going to show off each and every individual page. What we've got here is the history of Sherlock Holmes, all the way from the birth of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, all the way up to modern day. Let's just turn it around and check out by here. We have a little part from the actual designer of the coin. And then back to the back and front. So let's just check out this part before we look at the coin specification and then finally the coin itself. So the specifications are: the denomination 50p, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight 8 grams, diameter 27.3 millimeters. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated, the obverse designer Jody Clark, and the reverse designer Stephen Raw. Now let's check out the coin. We'll start off by having a look at the obverse. So there we go, 2019, with the portrait of the Queen by Jody Clark. And now let's actually have a look at this design. So I was quite excited when I heard they were going to make a Sherlock Holmes 50p coin. In my mind, I don't know why, I had heard somewhere previously that there was going to be writing on the coin, and therefore I thought that the silhouette of Sherlock Holmes was going to be made, like you see with some of those pictures sometimes, from words. But I still like it, but I think it would have looked a lot better if it had gone with the idea I've just suggested. There it is, and an absolutely brilliant finish, obviously with Brilliant Uncirculated. So yeah, it's another 50p coin. This one is going into circulation, so I can't actually wait to find this one on one of my coin roll hunts. But there it is, that's the Brilliant Uncirculated edition. So let me know in the comment section below. Have you got this? Are you going to buy it? And if so, if you've already got it, did you buy it in Brilliant Uncirculated, or did you get the silver proof edition? Let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.